Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to be looking at how my FlowDirekt downpipe is holding up after about a year. It was purchased through Mech Evo. Let's open up the hood on the car here and we'll start by looking at the start of it. All right, let's have a look here. All right, so get a light down in there so we can see what we're looking at. And judging by this front section of it up here where it's not going to really see too much snow and all that from the winter up here in Canada, I think personally it's holding up quite well. Looks nice for especially for the price and how it originally looked. I think we're doing just fine. I'm happy with it. You can see the flex pipe looks okay. A little harder to see. Oops. Down there past the flex pipe. You can kind of see it, but let's get the car up in the air and have a look. We'll spin you guys around, have a look underneath here, see how she looks underneath. Have a look at what we see. This will be my first time actually looking at it as well underneath here since I put it on, and so we'll be experiencing this together. Here, let's adjust our position here. And there she is. So that's like kind of the pipe right before it goes to the factory stuff. There's the factory exhaust after 200,000. So, I mean, it's a little rusty, but I mean, it's the exhaust and it's under the car. I don't know what you'd expect. And if we move up front, we can see it is definitely rusting a bit, which obviously it really shouldn't be, given that it's supposed to be stainless. There's the top, you can kind of see. I'll do my best. So definitely showing signs of some rust, which obviously does make sense. It is steel underneath the vehicle through the winter. There that is, there's their little bracket. You can see that's holding up just fine. And then there's the pipe up to the flex. See if we can get better light. All right, well, that weld seems to be looking okay. Nothing too concerning to me. I mean, I'm happy with it. I mean, it's not ideal, but it's no worse quality than the OEM pipe by my estimate at this point. So yeah, I don't know. At this point, I still think it to be a good buy. If you don't, then I mean, that's your decision. but for the price, I don't think you can go wrong. Yeah. All right, well, there's the update on that. Personally, I think it's a good buy. Seems to be holding up quite well over roughly a year on the car. It's February, so we've been going through some winter here in Canada naturally, so it has seen salt and snow and all that kind of stuff. It is a daily driver, so it's not like it sits in the garage and it's getting like that. It's driven every day. Some nights it is in the garage. A lot of nights it does stay outside, so kind of a good mix of all different situations that you might have if you purchased it and put it on your car. Also, as the channel's growing, I decided that since we're almost at 200 subs, I'm going to do another giveaway. It's going to be run similar to how the last one was run. We'll announce it once we're actually at that point, and then we're going to start running it. But this is going to be the next giveaway. City radio with the radio code and pigtail harness and stuff if you wanted to adapt it, or I mean, once it's yours, you can do what you want. If you want to buy the actual adapter harness or whatever from whoever company makes it, I mean, it's your radio, you do you. So with that, that's going to be it for today. And thanks for watching. If you liked it, leave a like. If you want to see more, be sure to subscribe and follow along for more updates. There's a few updates coming for the black car. It's pretty dusty. Been doing some woodworking in here, but this bumper that doesn't fit very good is coming off, and we have a new one on the wall. Obviously it's the wrong color, so that'll be getting addressed. We got one of these for the black car, so we'll be doing that upgrade. We got a 3D printed gauge pod. I'm gonna put my air pressure for the air ride in there, I'm thinking. We got a second Air Zenith compressor to go in the car once I'm done fixing that one. Yeah, so I mean, that's just a few things we got planned in the near future for the black one and whatnot. So sorry for rambling on again, but thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one. Peace.